friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club, and today's video is something really a very personal and sentimental type video. My amazing brother-in-law, my sister who passed away, her husband, just got remarried this recent month, and he married the most beautiful woman who is a widow herself, also a young widow also. So I decided to make them this God blends the most beautiful bouquets, wood box of Sola Wood flowers, and I was just wanting to show you the process of how I dyed them and glued it all together and put it together into this beautiful box. I used my Cricut to cut out black matte vinyl and used my mini press to set it. So basically what this represents is the two white flowers represent my brother-in-law and his new wife. The yellow flowers are for her four children. The blue flower is for her husband that passed away. The two purple flowers are for my niece and nephew, Tommy and Tori, and the pink flowers for my sister, Erin. So let's get started. This is a video of the dye process. I did not dye these specific flowers with this video, but I did just want to show you that it basically is mixing 2 parts of craft paint, 1 part water, and a few drops of wood softener from Sola Wood Flowers. And this is the ones that I actually dyed. And then you just basically sit them out on a craft mat or whatever and let them dry for at least 24 to 48 hours. You'll see they really dry very beautifully and easily, and you just dip them in that mixture. So I purchased paint from Sola Wood Flowers. I do have an affiliate link for them. You can definitely pick that up, or you can just use regular acrylic craft paint, but I would recommend getting their softener because it does keep the flowers a little bit squishier and more easy to manage as well. So anyway, now what I'm doing is I'm designing my sentiment for on the front of the box. So I'm using my mini press and just my Cricut Joy to cut out the words God blends the most beautiful bouquets. I measured the box and I actually didn't have it fully in focus in the camera, so I apologize, but basically just weeding that step whole thing out and applying it onto the front of my box. I did have a little bit of a mess up with the S and the T, but actually still liked the way it looked. It just gave it a little bit more character. So I'm just kind of pushing that on. You can see that S and T really like, oof. But I ended up just smoothing it out a little bit and it ended up being fine at the very end. So that's what I did with that. And now we're going to get into actual assembly. So I just took some florist foam and just sliced it using a metal ruler to the size that I needed. And now I'm just taking some moss and I'm gluing in just all around the edges, just using some hot glue. You can see I'm just kind of filling in the whole thing. Then I'm taking 18 gauge wire and I'm just using a little bit of hot glue and pushing that right into the base of each flower. So a little hot glue on the back, push the stem in, 18 gauge wire, and then I'm sticking it into this foam block and really just shaping it and playing with it and balancing it the way I want. And then I'm just using some garland leaves that I cut. I'm actually using my Tim Holtz tonic shears. I find that works really, really great with this. And I'm just gluing the extra leaves and stems into place. I actually used my Cricut weeding tool a lot to like puncture things down in. As you can see here, it was really helpful for me to really get it fully filled in the way I wanted it to look and to appear. So I just had a lot of fun. And like I said, the tonic shears worked great for both cutting the 18 gauge wire and the leaves and stems and just everything I wanted to put into place. So that's really what I did. I just kind of kept fluffing it and playing with it and gluing more in. And then I grabbed some gold glittered baby's breath that actually Sola Wood sells on their website also, and kind of filled it in the rest of the way with that. So, oh, and this is fun. I actually cut a glue stick down. So the glue stick the only glue stick that I still had was way too big for the glue gun. So yeah, I don't recommend doing that at home. I bought more glue sticks on Amazon promptly, but that was that situation. I ran out of glue sticks that fit and I still needed hot glue to finish this project. So this is gluing in the baby's breath and making the final last looks just to get everything just right, just how I want it, really fluffed out, really beautiful. And you can see they set it on the table, honoring both her husband and my sister Erin, and they put it on the table, which I thought was really beautiful, with a little "Until We Meet Again" um, poem type thing and just really honored God in all of this. It was just so beautiful. So I can't wait to see what God does in their lives and the lives of their children as they have come together. It's just really exciting. So thanks so much for watching this personal video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to do more Sola Wood videos with you as well. Have a great day. Enjoy the moments. I'll see you soon at By Megan Elizabeth and SheMakesClub.com. I would love to have you come check us out. Subscribe, like, and share. It always helps. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.